made an interesting point. You were advocating, if I'm not mistaken, for an Irish sea border, for checks on the Irish Sea when it comes to people.
Yeah, so again, we've been asking the Minister for the last 2 years in relation to how people are getting into the country. And interestingly enough, the Minister said to us that they were coming into... She didn't know how they were coming into the country. I asked why, and she said that question is not asked how they come into the country when they make their application at the International Protection Office. Incredibly, still, the Minister does not record how people are getting into the country, and that's just mind-blowing. And it's also very damaging in terms of we don't know how many people are being smuggled, how many people are being trafficked, etc. It's just really bad management of the system.
Does it not arise during the course of interviews between the asylum seekers and the IPO staff? Because that's what the Minister cited when she offered this 80% figure.
Yeah, so back 2 years ago we asked the question and she responded, said we don't ask the question where they come into the country. The last time we asked, she said that information is not recorded. And then the last time we asked, just at the start of April, she said we cannot gain that information from the data that's collected. So this is a department and a minister that's operating on the blind. And incompetency is a major element of the problem that we have. And even in the capacity, the government bought 37 buildings to house migrants 2 years ago. These buildings are still not in use. And, you know, there's also hundreds of government buildings that are empty at the moment, and the government hasn't got them back into use. I believe there's both an ideological reason for the difficulties we're in and an incompetency issue at the heart of this as well.